What's going on, guys, and welcome once again to our channel Kool Adventures. And this time we happen to be here at Universal Cabana Bay Resort. And the reason why we're here is because in this video we're gonna show you something that Universal Studios has done for Halloween Horror Nights called the Universal Monster Gallery. We don't know much about it, but we know that every year they do something in here in this resort where, you know, it's kind of cool to experience the some type of Halloween theme. And we're here, Halloween Horror Nights.
Here we come.
Here we come.
Lego.
We're doing everything Halloween Horror Night this weekend. So we're super excited to find out what is in there. Well, obviously, we're gonna bring you guys with us. So if you enjoy this type of content and theme park content, we highly encourage you that you stick around with us, and also ask you to consider to
subscribe and slash that like button
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Family, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit it.
Mom, hit it.
I could show you how to defeat the
So here in Cabana Bay, one thing I want to share with you, if you're staying in here during Universal or Orlando Halloween Horror Night, it says over here, stop by Bayliner for late bites after night, full of scares from Halloween Horror Nights. So what happens is they have grab and go options, and that include but not limited to pizza sandwiches, wings, desserts, beer and wine, candy and chips, and basically it tells you right there, Bayliner will close 1 hour after the park closes. So we know park closes at 2 in the morning, so they will close by 3 in the morning. It's always good to have options. Now let's go upstairs and check out this thing about the gallery, the Monsters, Universal Monsters Gallery. So here at Cabana Bay, by the Starbucks coffee area, you're gonna find this sign right before the stairs. It says Universal Monsters Gallery of Legends. It says over there that it's from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. And here's the kicker, guys. Exclusive to guests of any Universal Orlando Resort hotel. So, and they will ask, if it's like last year, they will ask you for the card, your room key, to just demonstrate that you're staying at Universal, any of the Universal Resort. So anyways, we're gonna head upstairs. Let's check it out. And in case you actually forgot what we're here for, Universal Monster Gallery of Legends. So once you make it to the second floor, go upstairs and make a left. And then you're gonna see this. Karen, I'm liking this. This is better than last year where we had to make this long line and wait.
Where I made a line.
Correction. I'm gonna say it publicly. Karen made that long line while I waited over there with the kids. So it's kind of cool, but just know that they have this queue line area for a reason over here. And here it goes, guys. Please wait here until cold. We actually returned yesterday as we started recording the video. The experience has gone down. So they told us it was gonna be about an hour, hour and a half. So we decided to come back today. Saying that in case you see us with like different shirts or anything like that. So that's what happened. Also want to share with you, here's some warning signs. Not sure what to expect in there, but here you go. If you have heart conditions, medical sensitivity, fears of enclosed spaces, and recent surgery, this is not recommended for you. Planning a vacation can be very exciting, but also very stressful. Sometimes it's hard to plan when you don't have all the answers needed or you're not sure about what process to follow. Trust us when we say it can be very time consuming.
This is the reason why we encourage you to contact us and allow us the opportunity to be your travel agents. Kool Adventures is affiliated with PCO Travel, and our main goal is to help you plan your dream vacation so you can create the best memories of your life.
Whether you want to go to Universal Studios Florida or Universal Studios Hollywood, we will be able to assist you planning every step of the way.
We are certified Universal Studios travel agents and recognized as a Universal Preferred Travel Agency, and our knowledge in the parks, restaurants, and hotels can definitely help you with your planning. The best part is that it will not cost you anything extra.
Let's start planning your next adventure And for now, all you have to do is fill out the questionnaire in the description below, and we will be contacting you right away. Here we are, guys. Gallery of Legends. Look at this. Got some popcorn. Some kind of like old school movie. Look at that. Let's see what else we see in this gallery. Got the mummy. This is beautiful though, beautifully done. So here we are. More details about the mummy. One of the things I want to show to you guys, they have a team member over here helping out, but you could actually do photo ops over here. So check this out. So here's that section of the Wolfman. Look at all this.
Okay, wait right there, wait right there.
And that's the photo op right there. We're gonna put our picture over here so you guys can see it. Kal-El was being part of the second part of the gallery of the mummy. This is awesome. Look at all this. It's awesome. Now this is pretty cool, guys, because there's a lot of photo op section. So this is now in the Dracula section. So right over there. Ooh, look at my shadow. That looks awesome. Like even a picture from here looks awesome. And look at all the things. Dracula. I'm loving all the things. I'm loving the sounds. Pretty cool. Look at all these guys. We're about to do this photo op, but with Dracula. It's pretty cool. Now I like this one. You could actually be here holding on the candles. Look at all this. It's pretty cool. Now that's legit the scariest thing that I've seen so far in Halloween Horror Night. Dracula right over there. So I basically like the fact that you see different photo ops from Dracula right there. People are having a fun. We just did this. Pretty fun as well. Now here we are. We're looking at the different items that they have collected over here. Look at Dracula himself. It actually gives you the vibes like you happen to be in the lair. This is not even a joke. That is pretty cool though. Whoa, that's the Wolfman right there. That's Wolfie. Wolfie going crazy. So you basically have to, the items happen to be at both sides of the room. So we already saw the picture of Dracula, and even though we did the Wolfman already over here, there's the picture of the Wolfman. Here's the picture of the mummy. So keep that in mind. Alrighty guys, so there you have it here from Universal Studios Cabana Resort. Gallery of Legends right over there. That was fun. I mean, it's something short, but cool to take some pictures, right? Share with the family.
A lot of photo ops. In my opinion, I like last year's better.
You like last year's better? Okay, what do you think?
Instagrammers are gonna love this.
Instagrammers TikTokers.
TikTokers as well.
Yeah, so definitely, but it's cool memories though, and the best part is free. Don't forget that word, free. If you're staying there, you gotta stay in a resort in order to come over here. Any Universal resort.
Yeah, technically not free.
But still.
Yeah, but it's included.
It's not an extra charge.
Yeah, it's not extra. It's not an upcharge. So that's amazing. At least they do that over here to enhance it with the Halloween Horror Nights event that is going on all the way to October 31st. So that was fun, family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But sadly, this adventure has ended. But with that said, we got to remind everybody to
subscribe
and slash that like button. Turn that bell notification.
Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below as well too.
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
And stay awesome. You guys next adventure.
Bye guys.
Boom.
Boom. Boom.
See ya.
Bye.